Hi everyone, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly jump anywhere in your spreadsheet, even if it's massive. If you've ever worked with a large Excel file, maybe hundreds or even thousands of rows and columns, you'll know how frustrating it can be to scroll endlessly just to find one specific cell or range. Well, today I'll show you two fast and efficient ways to jump exactly where you need to go. Let's get started. Step 1. Using the name box to jump to a cell or range. Let's start with the most common method, using the name box. If you look just above your worksheet, to the left of the formula bar, you'll see a small box. That's the name box. It normally displays the reference of your currently selected cell. Here's how it works. Click inside the name box. Type in the cell you want to go to. For example, I'll type H5, or written out, H5, and press Enter. Instantly, Excel takes me straight to cell H5. Let's try another one. I'll type K20, press Enter, and just like that, I'm now at cell K20. Even if your spreadsheet is thousands of rows long, this method still works beautifully. For example, I'll type Z2000, press Enter, and Excel jumps me all the way down to cell Z2000 in a split second. Now, you're not limited to single cells. You can also select a range using this trick. For example, I'll type H4:J20, that's H4J20, and press Enter. Excel instantly highlights that entire range from H4 to J20. So that's the first and probably most familiar way to jump around your sheet. But let's take it up a notch. There's an even faster method that keeps your hands right on the keyboard. Step 2. Using the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+G. The second method is using the Go To feature, which you can open with a keyboard shortcut. Just press Ctrl+G on your keyboard. That's hold Ctrl and tap the letter G. This opens the Go To dialog box. Inside, you'll see a box labelled Reference, and it's usually already highlighted. That means you can immediately type your cell reference without touching your mouse. Let's try it. I'll type Q500 or Q500 and press Enter. And just like that, Excel takes me straight to cell Q500. If I want to jump back near the top of the sheet, I can just press Ctrl+G again, type Q2, press Enter, and I'm instantly back up at the top. So this method is perfect if you prefer to stay hands-on with your keyboard. No clicking or scrolling required. Step 3. Reusing locations and named ranges. One more great thing about the Go To box, it remembers where you've been. Let's press Ctrl+G again. You'll see a list of all the recent locations you've jumped to, things like Z2000, K20 and Q500. That means you can easily double-click on any of these to jump right back, there. But that's not all. If your spreadsheet has named ranges, they'll appear here too. If I double-click on that name, Excel instantly jumps to that exact area of the worksheet. So not only can you use this method to move quickly to specific cells, but you can also use it to find key data areas that you've named. If you're not familiar with named ranges yet, don't worry. I have another video that walks you through how to create and use them effectively, so be sure to check that out next. That's it. 2 easy ways to jump anywhere in your Excel spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe to Sheet Leveler. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I'll see you in the next video.